Hello everyone. As promised, I'm bringing you some tools today for research people who are into research. So I'm going to use few tools and show you how to use the prompts properly to get the best out of them, right? So first of all, the famous ChatGPT and see whether it works for us or not, whether it is helpful for our research work or not. We have to check this. So let me go to ChatGPT first. I'll be using others also and show you how powerful they can be and better than ChatGPT in some cases. So let me, as it is for research, let me take a topic for research. Let's say if someone is doing PhD research work on, let's say, civil engineering. So let me search. Okay. So please give me some research topics for civil engineering. Some latest. Let's put latest. Okay. So basically, when you're using tools, they are your bots, like things, so you can actually chat with them, talk with them like human assistant for you. So it has given me some research topics which you can see for civil engineering, sustainable construction material, resilience and infrastructure, smart cities and infra, then carbon footprint reduction. Then this is something interesting, and advanced geotechnical engineering, structural health monitoring, water resource management, urban transport, and so on. You can see that. So what I did, I just typed, please give me some latest research topics for civil engineering. This is what I typed and this is what it has given. Okay, so let me copy this. Okay. Hmm. Can you please give me some more information on this? Okay, let's see. See, prompts are basically what you're typing to get the results from the search engine. This is a search kind of search engines only, like we call them AI tools. But long time back, when I started in '91, when I gave my first research paper, and then on AI, and then we developed on and on. I gave an idea a long time back in 2004 to have a search engine supported by AI, and things have come up. It takes a lot of time, it requires a lot of data. Data is very important, and it is like, as I said earlier, also that it works on Gigo. Computers work on Gigo only, garbage in, garbage out. So data is very, very important. In my course, I'll be showing you how data is important, how we use data, and how AI actually works to get such things. Okay, we are not going into the tools in the course, but definitely I'll be telling you how AI works. Different algorithms are there. So material selection and all, it has given us few things. Now what I'm interested in, the research paper. So can you please provide some research papers on the topic I have chosen? Okay, so you can see that it has given me some research studies, research papers, and it is going on. It is giving you link also. You can click on the link and check. But okay, It has stopped. Now let me see. Can I get? I'm more interested. SCI papers. Let's see. Just this much first. See, it doesn't have direct access to SCI, so it cannot actually give you SCI papers. So ChatGPT will not be able to give you research papers with based on this. Okay, so let's get from somewhere. Now let me take the question from here. Okay. Okay. I'm taking this. All right. Can you please provide some research papers? And now I'm using Copilot, or I can use Chat, Blackbox, or I can use Gemini also. So let's put it in Copilot. Actually, it will do a lot of work for me. Papers on carbon footprint in construction, some latest SCIE or SCI research papers on carbon footprint reduction in construction. Let's see what Copilot has to say. This is from Microsoft. Attempt to reconnect. There is some issue now. It's connecting. Okay, it's working now. See, DOI. It has given me with DOI. See, it's all going on. There are only three. It won't give you much, but definitely it will give you some. So let me copy this question first and let me see which tool gives me a better result. Now I'm using Blackbox AI and I've put the same question here. That is, can you please provide some latest SCI research papers on carbon footprint reduction in construction? And I can add something else also, like bridges over the sea. I can do that also. See, this has given me just one paper, and let me see if it can give me. I want at least 10 papers with the DOI. They should be SCIE. Since it is SCIE these days, so we are using SCIE, not SCI. Okay, so let's see. It is just waiting for something. Continue. It has given me only one paper, so it is not going to help me. I want at least 10, so it has not given me 10 papers. So let's ask Gemini, or let me go to this. Okay, let's see how much Perplexity gives me. So I've checked with ChatGPT. ChatGPT would not give you any papers. Copilot gives you papers, but not more than 3. Blackbox AI gives you 1 only, although it may give more. There are 5. Can I? Perplexity has given you 5. Can I get 5 more? Let's see. Yeah. So it has given you 10 papers. Okay. Now what I've given is I want research papers. Okay, let's see. Can you provide me some later essay citations? Let's say citations. Let me change the question. The results may not be the same every time, so you can check it again and again, so you can get more. Let's go back to chat box, black box, and let me type it here again. I'll be doing this again here, and let's see if it can work with citations, not research papers. It gave me one paper last time, so let's see. Now it is giving you, see, it has given me 4 papers. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 papers. Can you provide 10 papers? This is just for the sake of example, okay? So you can always use IEEE Explorer to download the research papers if you have the access. If you don't have the access, I'll tell you what you can do. See, so I have replaced, this is what we say, hacking the tools. So instead of papers, what I have put citations, and now it works. And let's say see what Copilot would do if I put the same query here. Okay. Okay. So we have, this gives me in a different way, but this is very interesting actually. It is giving summary of the papers. So it is basically the abstract, summary of the abstract. DOI not in specified, so they don't know. It always gives you 3. So anyway, it doesn't matter because I have got it. And let me put it here also, Gemini. And in Gemini, since we are checking every possible AI tools I use normally, so let's see. So it gives you. It is more or less like your Copilot. You can see that top cited journals. Here are additional resources you can get, website you can get, conference proceedings are there, keywords are there, literature search is there, biometric, bibliometric analysis is there. So you can see few things. Now the last one. So ChatGPT, Copilot from Microsoft, then Blackbox we have, and then Perplexity, and then we have Monica also. So they all work on GPT-4 more or less, GPT-3 or more, 4? No. See, it's not able to find SCIA because it does not have direct access. So it won't work. But let me do something interesting here. Okay. So I have 5 here and 10 here. So what I'll do is I'll just copy this and put it in a notepad. Now I can use the notepad actually to get the citations only. So I'm just taking the citations which I have already copied. 10 citations I already have. Just copy the citations, and now let's see what I'm going to do with this. In ChatGPT, I'm putting the citations, okay, and then I have to give some command which can give me some sort of tabulated details. Okay, so let me put it there. Okay, can you tabulate the research paper highlighting the pros and cons, and let's add something to it. Okay, so the table should should have Okay, I can put it like this also. I can put it like this. I have already copied a version of this, so I'll just put it here. Okay. For these citations, can you please tabulate the papers? The table should have paper number starting from 1 year, material use, advantages and disadvantages. I'm putting this here. I'm copying this entire thing so that I can put it in other search engines. You can see the table. Okay. See, easy. Literature survey done for 10 papers. You can actually go into the papers and see more details and get more advantage out of it. These are just 10 papers, so you can see that if you have the citations, if you put the citations, you can easily get that. Let me put it in Copilot. Copilot, there's a limitation actually of number of words we have. So let me see if I can squeeze it a little bit and put it in this. No. Okay, there's space there. Let it be. Okay, let me remove this. Just have it. Okay, we can add more later. So I'll just put the last line now, which can be put. See, you can see the limitations also. For these citations, can you please provide? Yes. See, you can see that. And the advantages and disadvantages, you can check. You can cross check the tables, which table is better for you, and you can summarize the research papers. What I normally do is the papers which I cannot download from SCI papers from IEEE Explorer, I would take the citations which is possible from the abstract also. You can actually copy the abstract also because abstract is available, but you can take the citation and then copy the citations on a notepad and then put the command. And that is important. It has come actually after doing a lot of permutations and combinations to get the result in a table. Like I have used tabulated form, and if I put a table, it sometimes doesn't work, right? Okay, so I have got it. Lot of information I've got, easy, right? Piece of cake. So AI will help you, but you should know how to use it. The prompts are important, and it is as if you're asking your buddy, "Oh, please, guy, tell me something." You're asking your uh, guide, and it takes time. It takes time actually to get the results. See, just just see, it's all done. Your literature survey can be done in a jiffy, small times, short time. And same I'm going to do with Perplexity also. Blackbox I've seen. Copilot has limitation of the words, so you cannot put more than 2000 words, I think. But everyone gives you this. And in this case, Perplexity is not able to give you the disadvantages. Now, what I normally do, the reviews correction. This is a review paper, so you won't get any advantage or disadvantage. Marine environment, concrete filled steel tabular arches are used and evaluates durability performance in marine environment. You can do that. So what normally I do that, I just show you. It may not work in this case. And this, I'll just copy this. Okay. All right. Let me copy this now. Now, in this case, what could be the possible pitfalls? See, I use the keywords, and keywords are important. Pitfalls. What are the possible pitfalls? See, it gives you. The disadvantage was not given there, but the moment I gave it the material and what it is used for, and I asked what could be the possible pitfalls, it tells you that. So Perplexity will tell you, and common causes of collision, you can see that related also it gives. Perplexity is good for research work, and the interesting part is you can search images also, you get related images also, you can and they are related with the research papers, so you can have a look. See, easy, so easy. You can have a look at any of that and you can see that, so easy. You can easily do, but keep in mind that you have to use your brain. Human intelligence is above any AI. Just keep that in mind, and let's put it in Gemini also and see what results it gives you. Okay, I have not done that. Okay, I was copying actually something. So, okay. Now, why I give actually starting from 1? The reason is sometimes I don't want the numbers to start from 1. So, what I'll do is I put the number which is to be used. Okay, so you can see that it gives you, but it does not give you advantage. So, what works better? Perplexity, we have here Blackbox AI, which has actually given me a perfect answer. It has given me a good answer, and then I told you how to crack to get more results out of this. And let's see, in case of Monica, same question for everyone, and it works. See, Monica was telling me that it cannot actually access the papers, so it cannot give me anything. But the moment I gave the citations, it works. Right? Now, one thing is finding the research topic, unique topic. You can put a unique topic, and then you can also have like give me the latest research topics. Then I can have something like the topics. I can choose one of the topics, and then I can get more information. Then I can get some research papers. Then I can get summary of the research papers. I can do that. Okay. Can you write a passage, a para, not passage, for me based on the citations I have provided, like we put in review, literature review. See, now it has given me the literature review also. Same, you can put it in ChatGPT also. So let me go to ChatGPT and ask it. Yeah. See, now I want this to be, let's say, a little different. If this is okay, you can always see this is just the basics it gives you. It's a starting point. What you have to do is use your brains actually to get more out of these things. Okay, so let me put, can you citation the review, but it should be in story form, storytelling. Here you are. Little bit different it would be. Same question, others may not work like this, but okay. ChatGPT and Monica I'm talking about, I normally use these, but I can use others also. Now let me put it here. This is your Copilot from Microsoft. Yes, it says that it can give you. Now, what it is giving me is actually paper wise. Corroded peers, it's going on. Chapter 1, chapter 2. See, it's going on and on and on. It is actually taking the papers as chapters and okay. So let's put it on in black box. Now let me put it in black box and see if it works fine. Let's see. Yeah, it works. Now it is giving me the citation inside. I can actually ask these AI tools to put it in such a way that I don't put the citations, that is the first name of the author. Instead of that, I can put the numbers. Can you provide me with the paper numbers starting from 1? Okay, let's see. It gives me, so I can actually tell that paper 1, 2, 3, 4, you can put it like this. So okay, let me put to ChatGPT. Can you provide me the same with paper number starting from 1? Paper 1, no. Paper 2, it has put in brackets. Okay. Paper numbers to be written like, see, the poor chap working again, giving me what I want, and it has given me. See, citations we already have, so you just put it. Why I have given from 1, so that I know next time I put 5 more citations, and then I'll ask it to give me some review on that, and it will give me something like this. But I can tell you that chat, that is Blackbox, it has given me a better review from, if you compare with others. So chat Blackbox AI works better, but Perplexity also will give me something good actually. Let's see. Okay, now let me put it here. Citations to start from 1. It has not given me actually numbers, but it's okay. That's not bad also. And Gemini, let's see if Gemini can do that for me. So you can have 4 5 tabs open and just see paper 1 2 3. Okay, paper 3, paper 4 is giving me, but not exactly the way I wanted, but that's okay. As far as the text is concerned, you can use it. You can combine that and then tell any of the search engines. These are basically tools actually. I always call them search engines. So AI search engines. So you can tell them that, okay, fine, I want this. So can you please summarize this? I can copy and put it together, right? So I can do that also. So we have Monica, Gemini, then Perplexity, Chat, that is Blackbox Chat, Copilot, and ChatGPT. Okay, okay. Now, now one more thing we can do. I have some, let's say, some research papers downloaded already, like open access. You can always download, right? So what I have is open access downloaded, and I want summary of that. Let's see what we can do here. Perplexity, do we have the option? Yes, we do have the option. So I have some paper and I'll put it here. There is a limitation in Perplexity. I think you can check 3 papers in a day. So you can have, or you need to go pro. So pro of that is if you upgrade ChatGPT, so you can get more out of it. Otherwise, okay, it gives me, but where has it gone? So what I can do is, yeah, please summarize. It is loaded. Okay, see, done. It has summarized the paper, so you know what the paper is all about. You can have a literature survey or whatever survey you want, and you can ask for the questions with it. It is as if you're talking with it. Okay, Perplexity has the option chat. Blackbox chat does not have an option to add. You can add the images. You can search the images. You can use the images, but it does not support the PDF files. So I don't have access. Upload images there, so I can't do that. Yeah, same way, Copilot cannot add the PDF, but we have Monica. Gemini also does not have an option to add. We can upload an image, but we cannot upload a PDF. Let's go to Monica, and in Monica we have straight away PDF option. I can choose, since I have a lot of research papers already, so I'll just use any of that. It may take a little time depending on the speed you have, but it will upload the file and the PDF file and give you the summary. Although your Perplexity was faster, but still it gives you. See, the summary is there and the possible questions you can have. How does special magnetic aluminum compound contribute to the non-destructive sensing technology? You can have. So doc summary is there. See, you can ask the questions also. There's some other co-options are there, so you can use. But to summarize your PDF, you should use Monica and Perplexity. So these 2 things can give you better results, right? Gemini and all, they can give you other results, but Blackbox, you can see that it gives you beautiful citations with tabulated form. Comparison also, advantages, disadvantages are there, but even if you are not able to get the disadvantages properly or advantages, if you have the advantages and the material use, you can put it together and ask the AI tool to tell you what could be the possible pitfalls. Keep in mind pitfalls in the research. Okay, same way I can put it here also, like what could be the possible pitfalls. Now let me see if it is continuing with the PDF. Yes, you can see that it has given you the possible pitfalls. Pitfalls is a key word which I have discovered, which works beautifully with all the search, AI search engines or AI tools, you can say. So prompts are very, very important. Keep in mind, it is as if you're talking with someone who knows everything, right? So just put the things properly and you will get it. Okay. So your AI tools actually, they can work on a lot of languages, right? So like we have transformers, they support 170 plus languages. So chat gpt and all, they will okay, since they are all AI tools, and more or less transformers and all. We use here AI algorithms are used, so translations are possible. I can say that. Can you translate this in Hindi? Suppose. Let's see. Done. Easy. If you're not able to understand, you can always translate it also. You can easily translate and check in any language you want, so it will help you to understand it more. Okay, so let's see, it's working, and it is telling you. Okay, now can you translate this in French? Oh, sorry, that's okay. All right, so here you get in French. So language is not a barrier for any AI tool. Prompts are important. How you write the prompts, how you use the prompts, that is important. Nothing else is important for AI. So if you write the prompts properly, you'll get a lot of outputs. This is actually part one of the tools, the prompts I've used for research. There's more to come and I'll be adding more, but for now it is summarizing. I can actually get some codes also, I can get some algorithms also, pseudocodes also. I can do a lot and I'll show you how we can do it. So let's do it next time. For now, we will just wind up today and we'll continue next time. Please ignore the voice noises around. Uh, Although I'm trying to control the noise, but still the noise could be around. It is not a soundproof room, so noises can be there. Okay, guys, so don't forget to subscribe the channel. A lot more to come, and the course will cover how AI works and how the algorithms work in depth. Not only the tools we are covering free of cost. I'm giving you all the tools, possible tools which are used and for marketing purpose, same tools. These tools I'll be concentrating, and some designing tools also, how AI can help you to design your marketing also. Anyway, we'll come to that later. For now, I'm focusing on research because my students are waiting for this video, and it will definitely help them to understand what tools are and how we can use the tools. Okay, then see you guys with more on research work first, and then I'll be going for marketing also, and finance also, health also. I'll be telling you a lot more about the tools. Okay, guys, see you. Have a nice time.